We are the only plant in Uruguay specialized in mass timber, one of the largest in South America, and the highest volume pine sawmill in the country. We produce CLT panels, GLT beams, and columns. We provide engineering solutions for the design and construction of buildings. Our mass timber products are composed of multiple layers of wood bonded with structural adhesive. They achieve excellent performance and distinctive beauty, enabling safe, attractive, and healthy designs. Using biomaterials like wood offers an effective solution to combat climate change. Trees are key allies in sequestering and storing carbon. The forests we use are FSC certified, ensuring responsible forest management practices, including biodiversity conservation and traceability from forest to final customer. Our sawmill produces over 240,000 cubic meters of pine boards annually, ensuring a continuous supply of high-quality raw material. We utilize the latest technology in measurement, scanning, and X-rays for visual and structural classification of each board. Automation and innovation in our mass timber plant ensure a high range of precision and customization, achieving cuts and milling designed specifically for each piece of the structural system. BIM technology has revolutionized the construction industry. It allows for detailed visualization and planning of construction elements before execution, facilitating interaction among different stakeholders. Off-site fabrication radically accelerates construction time, enabling agile and less labor-intensive installation on-site, significantly reducing costs. At Arboreal, we have the logistical and technical capacity to collaborate on construction projects worldwide. With bioeconomy as our banner, we are committed to leading and guiding the construction industry toward a green transition, forging a sustainable future moving towards decarbonization. Arboreal, rebuilding the future with mass timber.